Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I am Atri. I'm a producer related to beauty, makeup, skincare, fashion sometimes. So yeah, take a moment, explore my channel, and if you like my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit that like. And without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So guys, in today's video, K Beauty, they launched their new highlighter. So they launched their highlighter in 8 shades, and I got one shade out of them because I don't see the point of buying 8 different shades of highlighter because I don't use highlighter that much. But since I like K Beauty products a lot, I love their eyeliner, and that's what I'm wearing on my eyes today. I really like their lipstick, and yeah, I'm really big fan of their eye products. Also, I reviewed their loose powders which were launched I think 2 months back. So I love them as well. So I thought, why not? Might as well try this one also. So this is how the product looks like. So it comes in a outer packaging. Like it's very similar. It's very signature outer packaging of K Beauty, and yeah, it says it is an illuminator highlighter. It is enriched with avocado and mango butter. If you don't know, they also launched their loose powder, and that also had avocado and mango butter. So I think they have taken some inspiration and formed these highlighters. So the shade which I have is Sunlit Gold. They have 8 shades, okay? You can choose whatever you feel like, and it retails for 799 rupees for 8.5 grams of product, and the shelf life of this product is 3 years. So if you don't know, K Beauty is a cruelty free vegan product brand. Actually, they don't use parabens or sulfates, so it's really good and clean product as they claim. And I personally never had any bad experience with K Beauty, so I was really excited for this launch as well. So yeah, this is how the packaging looks like, and inner packaging you are having a foam like structure here, and you can just take this out. So you're having this packaging also inside it, and inside it you are having your actual product. So this is a foam packaging so that your product don't get destroyed. I really like the packaging of K Beauty products, and the product itself looks like this. Oh my goodness, just look at how this looks. It reminds me of Balms. The Balms packaging, yeah, it is very sleek, just like the Balm one, and the outer packaging looks so pretty. Like in 800 rupees, you're getting a really pretty highlighter, and everything else is written right here. So even if you throw this outer packaging and you have this one, you have everything written over here, so you don't have to keep this packaging with you. You can throw the packaging, as I always do. Really like the fact that all the details are written over here, and the packaging is really sleek and it looks really luxurious. It looks that they have formulated this product with utmost care and planning, that I really appreciate of all the K Beauty products. And when we open it, this is how it looks like. It also had a separator, but I threw the separator. Actually, it just got, I don't know, I lost it somewhere. So that's why it does have a plastic separator. And the best part about this is it is having a mirror, and the mirror is really good quality mirror, and packaging is very sleek. I mean, it looks as if I am holding a top notch luxurious brand product, high end brand product. So this is about the packaging. Now let's see how this product actually looks on my face. I'm not wearing any highlighter today, you can see. I am just wearing I'm just wearing a blush, and I have just applied a little bit of this highlighter on my eyelids for that extra natural eyeshadow look. I generally do like that only. I apply the highlighter onto my eyelids. So that's how I do multitasking with one product. See how this swatches. Now, when I touch it, it is super buttery. Yes, it is super duper buttery. And let me just give you a swatch right here. So this is how the swatch looks like. Yeah, just a second. So it is really reflective. Okay, and it doesn't look chunky or glittery. It's very soft and finely milled. But I'll just say, according to me, it won't give you a very bam type of effect, but it is giving a really good reflection on my hand, you can see. So it is for someone who really likes subtle highlighters, who don't like to go overboard with the highlighters. So this will be a perfect product for you. And yeah, I really like the shade. This shade I think will suit dusky skin tone people also. They also had a bronze shade. I was really looking forward to buy that one, but this time I thought let's go with this one because gold shades are really good. It complements my skin tone, even the bronze ones also. For your reference, I am NC42 in MAC Cosmetics. Apply this product and see how this product is going to fare. So I'll apply on this side with this particular brush. This is, by the way, Wet n Wild P53 brush, and on the other side I will be using a fan brush just to see how, like, which brush picks up the product in a better way. Did you see the glow? It doesn't look chunky, doesn't look glittery or whatsoever. It looks such skin-like. Yeah, it looks really good. So if you are someone who don't like a lot of highlighters, this is your thing. And it does not accentuate any of the pores or any of the imperfection. It is going to give you a very natural and soft finish. Now taking a fan brush, this is by Puna Store. I'm just going to apply it on this side of my face. I am really happy with this one. I mean, really happy. Now let us apply on our nose and also on the bridge and also on my cupid's bow. Wow. So if you're wondering which brush is this, this is again the Cups and Lashes in the variant E001. Really like this brush for those inner corner highlighting, brow bone highlighting. Looks really good actually. Okay, I'm really impressed. Like, K Beauty again had it this time. I don't know what is up with them because the products which they make, like, it gives me a luxurious feel. Like, it is well known fact that Katrina is a celebrity and her line is really good. It speaks for her, I believe, because she is very simple. She believes in simple things. So that's how she has formulated her brand. So from my side, I'm going to give you an yay regarding this particular product. Now many of you will ask me if this is more worth it or the Maybelline one. Now the Maybelline Molten Gold highlighter is very, I'll say, on your face kind of highlighter. It's very bam type of highlighter. It gives a very what should I say, focus on your face. But while you look at this is having a very photo finish type of uh, finish. I don't know if that's a word. I am short of words today. It gives a very airbrush type of finish, yes. Doesn't look that you have applied something, and it gives your face the perfect illumination it requires, I believe. Yeah. So that is the difference between this one and Maybelline one. Maybelline one is a little bit more bam, and yes, that will show that you have applied some highlighter. It is not effortless, but while this is effortless, so I can't choose. I mean, these days I like these type of highlighters which is subtle, which gives a glow, doesn't look cakey or chalky. I just love such highlighters. Yeah, so this is going to be my favorite one. Like, I have found my new favorite. Maybelline one was my favorite earlier, but this is really good. It also reminds me of the Wet n Wild highlighters, because Wet n Wild Precious Petal highlighter is just like this, has a very nice glow to it. The texture is quite similar, but whatsoever this texture is more smoother, I believe, and yeah, it is not at all patchy. So yeah, that's about it. I have a new favorite. So now, will you like? Will I recommend this product to you? Yes, 100% I will recommend. But guys, if you don't need highlighters, please don't go and waste your money. Just wait for some time. Grab this highlighter on a sale. Now I am a makeup blogger, so that's why I have to. I tend to purchase one or two things so that I give my honest opinion to you. So yes, that is about it. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know how did you guys like this, like this video. I am really short of words today. I'm really sorry for that. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, and yeah, be safe guys. Bye, and love you guys so much.